Mission sub 1 cable change out. I just replaced the cables and got it backwards, so I'm going to put a video up here. You got C1 on the right limb, goes around the top of the cam. There's a groove in the pulley, and it goes through this hole here. Then the string wraps from looking at the top counterclockwise around, and you follow it up. This will be your top cable. This one's on the top. Comes over and hooks on to C1. Opposite now, C2 is on your left limb. It comes up around the top of the cam. There's a groove in the pulley. Goes through that hole there. And then this one wraps clockwise around the bottom of the cam. There's a slot in the pulley here. And then comes back across up through this on a C2. The string change out's relatively easy after you back the limb bolts out. It's pretty much self-explanatory. You just wrap it around. There's a groove in the bottom. Goes up, around. Same thing here. Up, around. This being the front of the bow.